Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Trust Wallet app for beginners. Trust Wallet is a popular mobile wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive various cryptocurrencies. To get started, first download and install the Trust Wallet app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and tap on Create a new wallet. You will be prompted to create a password and agree to the terms of service. After creating your password, you will be given a recovery phrase, which is a list of 12 words that will be used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. Make sure to write down this phrase and store it in a safe place. After setting up your wallet, you will be taken to the main dashboard. Here, you can view your wallet balance, transaction history, and available assets. To add a new asset, tap on the plus icon and search for the cryptocurrency you want to add. You can then send, receive, or trade this asset using the Trust Wallet app. To receive cryptocurrency, go to the Receive section and select the asset you want to receive. You will be given a unique wallet address that you can share with the sender. To send cryptocurrency, go to the Send section, select the asset you want to send, and enter the recipient's wallet address. It is essential to keep your wallet secure by enabling two-factor authentication and keeping your recovery phrase safe. You should also be cautious when interacting with unknown parties or clicking on links from untrusted sources. In addition to storing and sending cryptocurrency, Trust Wallet also allows you to stake and earn rewards on certain assets. This can be a great way to earn passive income, but make sure to do your research and understand the risks involved. Finally, it is crucial to stay up to date with the latest news and updates from Trust Wallet. You can do this by following their social media accounts or joining their community forum. By following these steps and best practices, you can use the Trust Wallet app with confidence and take control of your cryptocurrency portfolio.